Everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Got another advent calendar unboxing for you guys, and this time it's not a beauty one, it's a food one. And it's one of my favorites, and I've been getting this one now. I think this is my third year to get this calendar. And this advent calendar is by Bonne Maman. I know the camera's not gonna like the white background of this box, but yeah, this is the Bonne Maman advent calendar featuring 24 limited edition mini fruit spreads and honey. And I love their fruit spreads and preserves. I wanna show you the one that I have. It's unopened because the open ones that I have are looking kind of gross. They're almost done. But this is my favorite one, the fig preserves. And it comes in their signature jars with the checkered lid. And with the labels that looks like Bonne Maman's handwriting. You can find these in any grocery store. I also have a different one, and one of y'all mentioned it last year. It's the Intense Preserves. So I finally found one in a grocery store, just happened to see it, and it's the Blueberry Preserves. And that's delicious too. I put that on my peanut butter sandwiches. I love peanut butter. I also love the Fig Preserves. Put it on warm toast, put some butter, and then the figs, and then have it with a cup of hot tea. I mean, that's my evening routine, especially in the wintertime, with a cup of hot tea. But let's go ahead and talk about this calendar. And again, this has 24 limited edition mini fruit spreads and honey. What it says on the website is this year's calendar features 24 unique Bonne Maman flavors, including exclusive new holiday flavors. And they did list some of the flavors in here, but I'm going to save it for when we open this up. So yes, these are unique flavors. They don't sell them in the big jars in the stores. But what's nice about them is that they come in these little 1-ounce jars. You can try different flavors. And let me go ahead and show you one of the little jars that it comes with. This is an empty one. And one of y'all did mention these would be great to use as shot glasses. I know. So that's what we use some of the empty ones for. This one was from last year. I believe it's raspberry. Everything's so small for my eyes. Raspberry red currant spread. So yeah, here is the jar. I know it's small. You can probably get 1 or 2 uses out of them. Oh yeah. Here's the lid. This one comes in a pink checkered. But yeah, these are really cute. Could be used for measuring liquid ingredients, or you could even use it as a shot glass. This calendar costs $34.99, and I did order it off the Bonne Maman website. Unfortunately, they do charge shipping. I believe it was $9.95 or $9.99. Either way, it's $10 for shipping. I believe if you do order more than one, it's, I think, $13 for the shipping. So this is approximately $45 for 24 jars of fruit spreads and honey. But let me go ahead and show you the calendar. Here's what the front looks like. Kind of looks like you're inside the house looking out the window. And then here's one side. Here's the back side. I believe that tells you the ingredients and the flavors. And then here's the other side. Now, I still have the plastic wrapper on this, so let me go ahead and take this one off. As I was looking at the back, let me let you know what it says here. The secret of Bonne Maman is simple. Our ingredients. Perfect fruits and natural sugars carefully prepared with traditional expertise to create the memorable taste of Bonne Maman, a delicious moment to cherish every time. No high fructose corn syrup, no preservatives or color added. So that's good to know. Last year's calendar was real cute. I like the designs that they put. It's different every year. So let's go ahead and take the sleeve off. All right, there you go. Got the sleeve off. And then this is what the package looked like. This is what you were looking from the inside outside the window. And there's one side. There's the back. Looks like Main Street. And then here's the other side. Doesn't say who illustrated the cover, but it is beautiful. But let's go ahead and open up and see what it looks like inside. That is so beautiful. Really do like that. And then here's the back side when you open it up. If you looked, it has the punch out drawers with the numbers. So you're gonna have to ruin this beautiful design. I kind of wish that they would put them in drawers so we could reuse it, because once you open it up, you can't display it. And I would like to display this because it's a beautiful scene with the town square and the Christmas tree in the middle. Now, before I open it up, on the top, it does give you the list of the flavors that are in here. So what I'm gonna do is have this opened up in front of me because it'll be kind of hard to have it standing up. And then I'm just gonna punch the doors open and show you the jams. I hate to ruin this pretty design, but we gotta do it. Okay, I'm going to open up door number 1. Oh, see, it already ripped. Now I'm just going to show you what it looks like when you open it up. You open the door and it's secured inside. And on the inside of the door it says, "Be merry." Yeah, it is secured in there. So on day 1, you have the rhubarb strawberry spread. And then if you look, the seal, it has the rhubarb and the strawberry. Really pay attention to detail, and there's the ingredients. Well, you know what? I mean, it's not going to look pretty, but you can push the door back inside and you'll still have that scene there. So I'm going to try to do it very carefully. And door number 2 is next to it. And inside the door it says a season of cheer. And day 2, it's the seedless raspberry spread. You know, I'm just thinking out loud here. I wonder if you open up the inside and take the tray out so you don't have to mess up the scene. I want to try that. I've only opened up 2 doors, but let me try that. This is what it looks like when you open it up. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I'm just going to put it in front of me and just kind of go by the numbers of the door and just kind of map it out that way. Yeah, I want to do that because I want to keep this scene. That's just beautiful. I hope I didn't mess up this calendar. Of course, I thought of it after I opened up 2 doors, but... All right, and here's the other side. So yeah, I'm going to put that next to each other. Then I guess we won't see what the door says inside. Okay. Yeah. Is this going to be an unboxing fail? So door number 3 is on the bottom, 4th one in, but then we won't get to see what it says inside the door. But I think it will be okay because I don't want to mess up that scene. That's pretty. I can display it right there. So day 3 is the lemon yuzu spread, and that's a pretty color. That is a real pretty color. Pull out day 4. You have mango peach lime spread. Ooh. That's going to taste good on some toast. Day 5 seems to be red. They are secured in here, that's for sure. They're the raspberry rose spread. That's new. I wish they would give a description of this, because I don't know what a rose would taste like. So I guess it's a red rose. Maybe? Well, no, it looks to be like a pink rose. Okay. I do like the unique flavors, and I wish that they would sell bigger jars of these. But anyway, day 6, you have sweet orange passion fruit spread. And for day 7, we have the apricot lavender spread. Okay, so we have a rose and a lavender. For day 8, we have wild blueberry balm leaf spread. I mean, I've never tried a balm leaf before. I'm sensing a theme here, fruits and flowers. For day 9, we have strawberry linden blossom spread. That one looks to be a little chunky there. What do you think? Day 10 is peach and mint spread. That's going to be a good flavor. I know my husband, he loves peach flavors. Day 11 is honey. There's always a jar of honey in the calendar, and it has a bee on the seal there. For day 12, we have cherry elderflower spread. I have to say that these are going to be real interesting to try with the flowers in there. So what number was that? 12? Now let's go for lucky number 13. And where are you at? So for day number 13, we have apricot mango spread. This is one of my favorites. Anything with mangoes and anything with figs. Those are my favorite. For day 14, we have strawberry verbena spread. Whenever I think of verbena, I think of L'Occitane with their verbena shower gel. Okay, so that was 14. Now let's go for 15. I believe that's the top corner. This is the fig cardamom spread, and I love figs, and I think this is the one that I'm going to try. There's my fig spread right here and with cardamom. For day 16, it's apricot bergamot spread. Apricot's another good flavor. Day 17, mandarin spread. This one sounds yummy too. Ooh, mandarin orange. So next is 18, and for that we have cherry Christmas spice spread. Ooh, maybe I might try this one. Should I try this one or wait till Christmas time to try it? Because they all sound delicious. I don't know which one to try. For day 19, we have peach jasmine flower spread. Again, I wonder what this tastes like with the jasmine flavor. So for day 20, it's plum, pear, and star anise spread. This is another one that I bet it's going to smell delicious. For day 21, cherry hibiscus flower spread. Now, I have tried hibiscus in tea. In Egypt, dried hibiscus flower is kind of a staple there. You can drink it in tea or serve it over ice. And my mom would swear by drinking hibiscus water or hibiscus tea. If you're not feeling well, tummy ache, a little cold, she'd always give us a hibiscus drink. So I'm glad they put hibiscus in one of the preserves. Okay, I think that was 21. Let's go 22. 22 is white nectarine, peach, and lemon verbena spread. I have to admit, I like the different flavors in here. For day 23, we have raspberry chamomile spread. And the last day, day 24, orange cinnamon spread. And that is all that's in this advent calendar. Let me show you. These are empty now. And this box is almost unscathed. The first 2 doors that I opened is right there, but once you shut it, it looks pretty good. Even though we can't see what's written inside the doors, I think I would prefer doing it this way so I can keep the scenery intact. Judging from the first 2 doors, it's just little sayings. It doesn't give you information about the preserves. That's just me. I would rather open it up that way so I can keep this intact. Even though I do have 2 doors that's just kind of wonky, I think I'm okay. And I think I'm going to put all my advent calendars that I opened up behind me. I already opened one, the Rituals of Advent, and I probably should have put that one up there, but I just didn't think of it until now. So the next advent calendar, you'll be seeing this one and the rituals behind me. This will be great to give the whole advent calendar as a gift, or you can group some together, put them in like in a little decorative cellophane bag, tie it up and put some ribbon around it. Use it for neighbor gifts, teacher gifts, co-worker gifts. And that's what I did last year, and I think I'll be doing that again this year. It's going to be kind of hard to pick which one I want to give away though. Last year I did order 2 of them. This year I just ordered 1. So yeah, it's going to be hard to figure out which one I want to give. Let's go ahead and try one right now. This is the fig cardamom spread. It's one I always try. I want to save that one. I think it was a Christmas spice spread. I want to save that one for when it's colder outside. But let's try the fig one. Let me open it. You can hear the sound of freshness there. And that is what the preserves of fig and cardamom looks like. Got my spoon. That is so good. Okay, one more bite. And it's not very sweet, which I like because I don't like sweet things or too sweet things. I think tonight I will make some hot tea and get some toast, spread some butter on it, and add this to it. And also, instead of using toast, we'll use pita bread. We'll just kind of toast the pita bread, put some butter, put some of the preserves in there, roll it up, and have it with a cup of tea. I know you're probably thinking pita bread, but it tastes good. Well, all right, you guys. Thank you for watching me unbox this delicious advent calendar from Bonne Maman. And I'll leave the link to it down below. It's not an affiliate link, so you can just go right to it. But again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.